banks, mortgages, credit cards, payday loans and more. In this video, we'll break down the structure of the financial services industry so you can understand where your money comes from, how it's regulated for your protection, and how you can get the best deal available for you. In our video on Who Owns the Banks, we talked about how money is created by the Nationalised Bank of England. Let's look at how this is achieved and how the money filters through the financial system from there to reach you. Also, take a look at our What is Money video, which explains in detail how money operates as a unit of measurement for value. Money is to value as inches are to a length of wood. You cannot ever run out of inches. If you don't have a long enough tape measure for your wood, you make a longer one with more inches. If more businesses produce more goods and services, the system will require more money is created to encompass this. It causes inflation, but this is necessary because asking everyone to take a pay cut and make room for the newly created value would be a disaster in terms of people's psychological reaction, which would have an effect on the real economy. People trading with one another would break down. Now, this money is created but needs to filter to the private banks that deal with businesses and consumers. To do this, various methods are used. One common method is to buy bad debt from the banks. A mortgage that will almost certainly never be repaid is bought with this new money by the Bank of England. The Bank of England doesn't need to be repaid, really, while the private bank now has the money available to operate correctly. Once there, the money can be used to lend to you for a mortgage, credit card, or lent to a business to help it start. It might even be lent to a payday loan business, for example, and in turn lent to you from there. From the central bank to private banks to private businesses offering financial services, the regulations are tight and your rights are enshrined in law. We have a video dedicated to helping you understand your rights. Use our savings calculator on the Reduce My website, part of the Helping Our Future charity, to not only find the best deals available for you, but also to ensure you're dealing with a licensed and regulated supplier of financial services. Stay safe, stay smart, know your rights.